The following is for 2011 Math 227 Test 3, number 2. A random sample of 130 men contains 26% smokers. Test the claim at 2% significance level that 22% of man population is smoker. Okay, now let's see the information. The sample size is 139 and the p hat 26%, right? That's the sample population. Sample proportion significance level is 2% or 0.02. Now from here we see that the q hat is 74% or 0.74, which is not necessary, as you will see later on. Now let's start the hypothesis testing. The claim that 22% of men population is, I think I should say are smokers. Okay, part B, so the second part, hypothesis testing. The hypothesis, the null hypothesis is that the men population, the proportion is 22%, right? And therefore the alternate hypothesis will be not equal to 22%. From here you will see that this will be a two-tailed test, right? Okay, part 3, test statistic. The C star, because there's a testing proportion, we use C. There will be 0.26 minus 0.22 over the square root of, now this is where I make mistakes before. I should not use 0.26, I use the assume population proportion, which is 0.22 times 0.78 over 139, in all of them inside the square root. Okay, and when I compute this, I get 0.04 big over let's see, what's that, 0.22 times 0.78 divided by 139, and then I do the square root. I get 0.03514, and if I divide that from 0.04, I get 1.13844. Okay, now then let me go on. Step 4, the critical value. Because this is a two-tailed test, then we will have two critical values, one of them on the left, one of them on the right. This one is 2% significance level, because it's two-tailed, it's 1% here and also 1% here, right? Means this is 98% here, right? Okay, now when you look at the table, you will see that the critical values are negative 2.33 and positive 2.33. Okay, the critical value is plus minus 2.33. Now let's see, the position of the test statistic is in between. Okay, it's 1.34. Let me just summarize that way. Okay, round it that way. Informal conclusion will be we will accept null hypothesis. Okay, now finally the conclusion will be, the formal conclusion, we say at 2% significance level, the sample data fails to reject the claim that 22% of man population are smokers. Is or are? I don't know. Okay, yeah, but that's the from fall 2011 Math 227 test 3 number 2.